What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove your locking lug nuts without a key, because I got my truck, I got 4 of them on there. I don't have a key, so I'm going to show you how to remove those without a key. And then I have replacement stock lug nuts. These guys were like $7.50 a piece, so that's kind of a bummer, but I wanted these, make it easy in case I ever got a flat tire or needed to rotate them. So check it out. So there is the locking lug nut down there. There it is. Now obviously you're going to want to take a screwdriver or something and put it through the socket and smack the locking lug nut out of there, and then you'll get your socket back. Well, we got the new one. Snug the new one up and then torque it down to whatever you need. There, now they're all as they should be. Hey, somebody steals my tires, my wheels, I got insurance. Whatever. Then I get some cool looking new ones, right? So, no big deal. That's all there is to it, man. The only downside is, you know, having to purchase the OEM lug nuts to match. But, I mean, $7.50. You don't break the bank on it. So, alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to, and till we meet again.